Welcome back, guys, and welcome to day 2 of 12 days of Christmas and 12 questions answered. As you can see, we've got the car loaded up. We're ready to make the drive down to George's parents. We're spending Christmas with them. So today's question is, what is the best format for Apple Log? That's a good question. In the Blackmagic camera app, we've got a choice of a few compression codecs. Now, obviously, the one that's going to give you the best quality is ProRes HQ, but the file sizes are absolutely enormous. We've got ProRes LT there, which again, great quality, but pretty big file sizes. And right at the bottom there, we've got H.265, which is HEVC, the high efficiency video codec that you're probably all used to shooting in. So I'm just going to show you a couple of examples. This is a shot that I did from our balcony at the Chelsea Harbour Hotel, so you can see a bit of London in the background there around dusk. So these shots are a really good test of these different codecs. Okay, so that was ProRes HQ, ProRes LT and H.265. Did you notice much difference? Probably not. So my recommendation would be, for almost everything, especially anything for social media, shoot in H.265. It's a great codec, really manageable file sizes, and it's dead easy to colour grade, and it's going to look fantastic on everything from a big 4K monitor to a phone screen. So there you go, hope that answers your question. Don't forget to check in tomorrow for another of your questions answered. Thanks for watching, see you next time.